Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am doing part 2 of the sticker installation now. First thing you want to do is start off by cleaning off the area, make sure that everything is clean and debris free. Next thing we will be doing is we'll be removing the vinyl from its backing and we'll be placing it on the door panel. I've already selected the area where I wanted it to be, so the only tough thing about this is trying to get your sticker underneath the rubber trim. Just go slowly and make sure that everything goes smoothly. Once you get it underneath, just place it down like so, right around there, and you want to pull it just enough so you're getting rid of all the air bubbles from underneath. Push it down slowly. If you have a squeegee, you can go ahead and use a squeegee, but in this case it looks pretty smooth without it. And just push it down slowly. Okay, just like that. And we're going to bend it over. Just like that. I got a little crinkle there, so we just want to pull it up and then redo it. In this case, it's not going as smooth as I thought it would. So I got a little card here, thanks to Sam's Club. And we're just going to go ahead and push down the edge. Okay, there you have it. Here's your install of your door sticker. And just want to make sure that everything fits right. Move the door closed. And there you go.